There was a massive marine heat wave that occurred in the summer of 2023. Temperatures started skyrocketing. And one of the real hotspots of that was the North Atlantic. And what we found is that the winds were really, really low, which is the ultimate reason why we had this massive marine heat wave.
When the oceans warm up, you see a lot of moisture then getting into the atmosphere, and this heat in the North Atlantic fed the atmosphere with huge amounts of moisture that then led to these catastrophic climate events.
Marine heat waves are prolonged periods of unusually warm ocean temperatures. To understand how a marine heat wave develops, we need to look at how the ocean is structured. It has two main layers, a warm upper layer that interacts with the atmosphere, and a colder, deeper layer beneath. The upper surface layer is where sunlight and heat from the atmosphere is absorbed. It's also where wind plays a critical role, mixing and deepening this layer, which helps distribute heat more evenly. But in 2023, in the North Atlantic, a team of UNSW researchers found that surface winds dropped to record low levels. With less wind, there was less mixing. That meant the surface layer became shallower than ever recorded. The same amount of solar energy had far less water to spread into. So that shallow surface layer heated up rapidly, much faster, reaching higher temperatures than ever before. This buildup of heat led directly to the formation of a marine heat wave, where the surface ocean temperatures were pushed to record-breaking levels.
These marine heat waves aren't just about, a warmer ocean, they're also going to drive climate events in the land masses around them. Tropical cyclones derive their energy from the heat in the ocean. The warmer the ocean is, the more that these cyclones or hurricanes intensify. At the same time, that heat in the Atlantic Ocean led to record heat waves across Europe. There were a lot of deaths, a lot of human health issues for this sort of record heat. The other thing that we had apart from heat waves over Europe is these record-breaking flooding rain events that smashed parts of Spain, Germany, Eastern Europe as well. And so the reason some of these events occurred has been linked to this record warmth in the oceans.
We need to understand what effect these marine heat waves are having on biology. The fish, the coral reefs, the seagrass, the kelp forests, so that then we can predict what the impacts are going to be.
Where they're going to occur, at what intensity, and also as our climate changes, to be prepared for the marine heat waves of the future. To understand this event will help us understand what sort of events we're going to have in the coming decades.